Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to download the Gauley game, a beautiful adventure set in Nepal. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the official Gauley game page so you can get it from the description box, or you can visit https simsake.h.io/Gauley. Before downloading, make sure your PC meets the system requirement. Windows 10, 64-bit or newer, Intel Core i5 2400S at 2.5 GHz or better. It needs 16 GB of RAM. You need a graphics DirectX 12 and 5 GB free storage. And Gauley is in early access, so you will need to purchase it for at least $15 to download. Scroll down and click the purchase or buy now button. If you are in Nepal, you can use local payment option like e-Seva or bank transfer. If you are in India, there is a separate bank payment form. For everyone else, use the standard Ease.io checkout with PayPal or card. Follow the on-screen instruction to complete your payment. Once you have paid, you will get to the access the download file, which I will show you shortly. After purchase, you will see a section called download. Click on the file named Gauley_latest. It is about nearly 4 GB to start downloading the game. Once the download finishes, locate the file on your computer, extract it is zip folder. Then run the game's installer or executable file. Now you are ready to explore the vibrant world of Gauley. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any questions or run into issue, leave a comment below. Enjoy your adventure in Gauley. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.